y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a deep clean in my New York City apartment. As we know, the new year is approaching and it's time to get my life together. I call this my new year reset. It should be fun. I'm doing it before I travel because I go back to Chicago tomorrow, so I want to get everything out the way so when I come back from Chicago I have a clean, nice environment where I can just relax and be at ease. Right now I am headed to Target to get a little fun stuff for my apartment just to make it new and just make it more of a warming space. I pretty much got everything I need, so I'm getting this power mop bottom from Swiffer, microfiber cloths, bathroom grime fighter, then gloves because I cannot clean without gloves. I hate washing dishes without gloves, even though I'm really not washing dishes because I'm putting it in my dishwasher, but I hate cleaning them without gloves. That's all that I need, so let's check out. Made it back from Target. It took me so long. I literally was out for about 2.5 hours. I don't know what's going on. Probably because it's holiday season, so everybody's in line. But I'm back. So let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna start off with my bed area and move on from there. Now that laundry's getting done, we're gonna start in the kitchen. I'm gonna load up my dishwasher because I hate washing dishes. So this makes it easier and I can do other things while that's washing. So I've officially finished with my kitchen counter and now it's time to move on to my refrigerator. I barely have any groceries in there, but I just have a bunch of old groceries that I don't eat, like string cheese. I need to toss that away and give my fridge a new refresh and reset. Done with the kitchen. The only thing left that I need to do is sweep the floor and mop. I'm gonna make my bed first and then get to sweeping because I have to sweep all over my bed and living area. So I'll wait for that. Making progress. I'm super happy because I'm getting tired and I'm getting hungry and I have a flight tomorrow. Let's get to making this bed and then we'll get to some more laundry. Now that I'm done tackling the bed area, we're gonna move to the living room area, which is right next door. All I gotta do is turn this. As you see, this is a mess. We're gonna clean this section right here. And then this section right here is my dirty hamper. I need a new one that's bigger. I was gonna get one today at Marshall's, but the line was so long, literally an hour long. And I was like, I'm not waiting in line. So I left and I went to Target, which also had a long line. But that's my dirty hamper. I'm gonna wash some of that so I can take some clothes on my flight and knock out this section. Y'all, I'm officially done with everything. I didn't Windex my mirror because I can't find my Windex. It got legs and walked away and now I can't find it anywhere. How can you have an aesthetic deep cleaning video without Windex? Let's be so honest right now. I tried to make it as aesthetic as I could, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you were able to clean with me and do this deep clean because Lord knows I am tired and I just want a snack of apples. Specifically air fried apples with peanut butter, which I'll be making after this video. And time to just relax. I still have to pack for my trip back to Chicago, but that should be smooth. Everything is in order and clean, so it should be really easy. I do hope you guys enjoyed though. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I've been panicking because
Promise not to.